Hello students, the important sum for JEE exam, the value of the determinant 1a square minus bc, 1b b square minus ca, 1c c square minus ab. Can you solve without pen and paper? Yes, it can be done. If you assume a equal to b equal to c equal to 1, then it can be solved in half of a second. Look. If a equal to b equal to c equal to 1, we get 1, 1 and 1 square minus 1 into 1, that is 0. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. So, what is the value of the determinant? The third column, all are zeros. So, B is the right answer. An amazing sum which came in JEE Main 2014. If del r equal to r 2r minus 1, 3r minus 2, n by 2, n minus 1 a, half into n minus 1, n minus 1 whole square, half into n minus 1, 3n plus 4. We have to find r equal to n minus 1 del r. Now, let's apply a trick. It is called substitution method. R equal to 1 to n minus 1. So, we can take r equal to 1 and n equal to 2. And what it becomes? R equal to 1, sigma r equal to 1 to 2 minus 1 del r, that means r equal to 1 to 1 del r, that means we have to find del 1 only. Now, del 1 equal to, we have to put r equal to 1 and n equal to 2 here also, r equal to 1 and here r equal to 1, that is 1, 3 minus 2, that is 1, n by 2, that is 1, n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 and a, half into n minus 1, that is half into 2, 2 cancel out, and 2 minus 1, that is 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1, 1 square, that is 1, and half into n minus 1, that is half into 1 into 10, that is we get 5 here. 5. Now, what is the value of the determinant? First column and second column identical, so the value of this determinant is 0. So, r equal to 1 to n minus 1 del r equal to 0. One more interesting sum which came in JEE 2005. If a square plus b square plus c square equal to minus 2 and fx is this determinant 1 plus a square x, 1 plus b square whole into x, 1 plus c square whole into x, 1 plus a square whole into x, 1 plus b square into x, 1 plus c square whole into x, 1 plus a square whole into x, 1 plus b square whole into x, 1 plus c square x. So, fx is a polynomial of degree. Which of the following 4 options is correct here? Now, if we assume a square equal to 0, b square equal to minus 1 and c square equal to minus 1, this relation is true, you know. So, we have to put a square equal to 0, b square equal to minus 1 and c square equal to minus 1. Now, fx becomes 1 plus a square x, that is 1, 1 plus b square means minus 1. Here we take a square equal to 0, b square equal to minus 1 and c square equal to minus 1. Now, 1 plus b square, that is 1 minus 1, that is 0 and 0 here. 1 plus a square, that is x, 1 plus b square into x, that is 1 minus x. 1 plus c square into x, that is we get also 0. 1 plus a square, that is 1 into x. 1 plus b square, that is 0, and 1 plus c square, that is 1 minus x. Now expand the determinant first row wise, so we get 1 minus x into 1 minus x minus 0. So we get 1 minus 2x plus x square. So degree of this polynomial is 2. So D is the right answer.